here is the boat, the golden boat, that sails on silvery seas. And here are the oars of ivory white that lift and dip and lift and dip, lift and dip and lift and dip. And here are the 10 little fairy folk running along, to pick up the oars of ivory white that lift and dip and lift and dip, lift and dip and lift and dip, to sail the boat, the golden boat, across the silvery seas. Little Munchkin lived in the wide open spaces, in the bush and the fields and the forest. All day long she would visit Mother Nature's children and help them when they needed it. When a butterfly tore its wing on a very thorny bush, it would fly down to Little Munchkin and she would carefully mend it. And off it would fly again. She would help out the skinks by sewing on their tails when they lost them. And every morning she would brush the dew off the newly opened flowers. At night time, Little Munchkin would wrap herself in a cosy leaf and sleep under the starry skies. But the days were growing colder and the nights were growing longer. Autumn had arrived. The autumn wind visited Little Munchkin. Whoosh, whoosh. It blew all around. Whoosh, whoosh. Summer is gone and autumn has come. One morning, when the winds began to blow, the leaves were falling from the trees, golden and scarlet. The wind blew around Little Munchkin and said, "Autumn is here, summer is gone, you'll need a home for the whole winter long. Find a home that is warm and bright, where a golden light shines through the day and the night." "But where shall I find such a home?" asked Little Munchkin. "Follow the path of the sun," said the wind. "Follow the path of the sun." So Little Munchkin set off to follow the path of the sun. She hadn't gone far before she met Golden Snail. "Golden Snail," said Little Munchkin, "do you know where I shall find a home so warm and bright, where a golden light shines in the day and the night?" "Not I," said the snail. "I carry my home upon my back, and there is only room for one. Keep following the path of the sun. Keep following the path of the sun." So Little Munchkin went on, and soon she met a little bunny. "Hello, bunny," said Little Munchkin. "Do you know where I might find a home so warm and bright, where the golden light shines in the day and the night?" "I live here in my burrow," says the bunny, "and there's only room for one. Keep following the path of the sun. Keep following the path of the sun." So Little Munchkin followed the path of the sun. And the sun was growing lower and lower in the sky. And she came to an old overgrown vegetable patch, and in it was an enormous, beautiful orange pumpkin. "Could this be my home so warm and bright?" thought Little Munchkin. She looked all around the pumpkin. She knocked here and there, but there were no doors. By now it was getting late, so Little Munchkin put her back against the pumpkin, curled up in some leaves, and fell fast asleep. While she slept, she had a dream. she dreamt a golden star fell from the sky all the way down to land on the top of the pumpkin, where it made a golden star door. When Little Munchkin woke up in the morning, she remembered her dream, and she climbed up onto the top of the pumpkin. And sure enough, there was a star, and it was a door. And when she lifted the door open, inside was a home, warm and bright, where golden light shone through the day and the night. And Little Munchkin snuggled inside her golden home. Every day she still got up to go and help all of Mother Nature's creatures, but now they called her Pumpkin Munchkin. And every evening she returned to her golden home, so warm and bright, and I think she is living there still. Stars, they whisper softly on each of us this night, like angels in the darkness who guide us with their light.